Dumping and anti-dumping. In recent times, India's optical fiber industry has seen unfair competition from cheap imports from China, Indonesia, and South Korea. These countries have been dumping their products in India at rates lower than the market price. Wondering, what is dumping? When the goods are exported by a country to a foreign country at a price lower than the price it charges in its own home market, is called dumping. Dumping is a situation of international price discrimination. This unfair trade practice has a negative impact on international trade. But is dumping legal? Under World Trade Organization rules, dumping is illegal only if the foreign country can reliably show the negative effects the exporting firm has caused its domestic producers. In order to protect domestic producers from dumping, countries use tariffs and quotas. What is anti-dumping? Anti-dumping is a protectionist tariff imposed by a domestic government on foreign imports that are at a price lower than the price it normally charges in its own home market. This tool of fair competition is permitted by the WTO. Which authority in India administers trade remedial measures like anti-dumping? Directorate General of Trade Remedies, the apex national authority under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, administers all trade remedial measures. Its job is to provide trade defense support to the domestic industry. Stay tuned for more such content. Subscribe to WizMinds.